In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix blurry webcam on Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the start button and go to settings. Then here you have to click on system. Scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Click on that. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you can find camera with the run button corresponding to it. So run the camera troubleshooter by clicking the run button next to it. So follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply run the camera troubleshooter. After running it, do not forget to restart your Windows by right-clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. The next thing that we can do is to right-click at the start button and then you have to select Device Manager. Then here, expand the list for cameras. What you can do is you need to make a right-click on each driver. Right-click, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. If you have more than one available drivers under camera, you can do the same thing. Or you can update it manually. Right-click, select Update Driver, and then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then simply click on Next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. After updating the drivers, I suggest that you need to restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to reinstall the camera drivers. Again, go back to Device Manager window, expand the list for cameras, right-click on your camera driver, select Uninstall Device, and click on the Uninstall button. After uninstalling it, do not forget to restart. So right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows. Then, we need to update our Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. After doing so, click on Advanced Options. Click on Optional Updates and download the updates from here, especially the driver updates, okay? Download and install the updates from here, and that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.